For me, it has to be the people. I mean, we've got some industry leading systems, we've got a great environment to work in, but actually it's the people that make this business. They're a driven, dynamic team and they excel at all levels of the organisation, and it's a real pleasure to work with those people every day.
I think it's a company that has shared goals, proven success, and we're a company that welcomes development.
It has unbelievable technology to help us develop the best business, to help us attract the best candidates out there. And that's what is always refreshing to me, and this is why I've stayed here for so long, for 10 years plus. It's a great place to work. The old, good, ethical values linked in with modern technology to search candidates and clients.
The team environment, the people here, we've got a lovely family atmosphere and we're really proud of who we are. So proud to work where I do.
We're a really inclusive company to work for. We've got a great ethos. We have a family first attitude. And I think also the fact that we're so diverse in our service offerings makes every day a new day, really.
It is really how we engage with each other in the workforce. There's a lot of camaraderie, there's a lot of consultative activity, but there's also a genuine interest, and it's not just in delivery, it's working with our clients and candidates at the same level and continuously.
I think Jonathan Lee is a good place to work because of the people, the culture, the professionalism, and also because of the way we embrace new challenges moving forward.
Well, the thing about Jonathan Lee is I've been aware of the brand for a very long time. In fact, I was a technical specialist myself working in engineering roles. And Jonathan Lee actually placed me in the past. I never anticipated I'd end up working in recruitment. And what I found is that I've been able to build on my existing knowledge. My expertise is valued. I'm working with the same sort of clients that I worked with when I was an engineer. I'm working with old friends and old colleagues, and I'm building relationships. And I feel I can add value, and that's really important to me.
It's been about the support I've had from the business, both for me and for my colleagues, and making sure that the team is successful. Being willing to follow us on a journey to get a new industry, get a new discipline, whatever that might be, just that they've got the faith in us to do that.
I think it's the people and it's the way it embraces innovative new ideas.